Hello, just a quick update. There is a rumor Amaka Sunnberger has been arrested, the one who they said threatened Yoruba and Edo. But we are about to show you a video where she's claiming she had rumors about her arrest. And in the video, she said, I can't be deported. She says she's a Canadian Nigerian. She says she can't be deported. And we will talk about the rest of the things that was said in the video, but let's play the video for you first, for you to see. For those who think she has been arrested. But we are aware, according to reports, that the Canadian police are looking into the matter. And I understand that they will not look into the matter like some other police. I don't want to say Nigerian police. Where people just point you and somebody pick you up. Now, this is a developed country where a matter will be investigated. Meanwhile, we'll talk about that. Let's first play the video for you. We also play the other video where, the other video that prompted her reaction. But for now, let's play the video for you to know that nothing has happened to her. She has not been arrested. Whatever will happen, Canadian system works well. They will follow the law, not like some other places. I don't want to call them, where the judges will just do whatever they like. They could collect Nsoshiaba. So let me play this video and we'll be right back.
Tell all these people with Bini Oba picture, make them sit down, make them go find job to say we're not ready for their nonsense.
Somebody just send me a message. Let me go and find food. Let me go and find food. Somebody just send me a message. Let me say I don't. They arrest me at the airport. They want to deport me with passports. I be Canada picking.
Let me go and find food and eat.
I be Canada picking. Dara.
Anya number, say many of them are very primitive. Many of them never travel out. They don't even know how to walk. They don't even. Most of them are in uncivilized country, so they think it's Nigeria, where one person will just go to police and say, "I want to arrest this person," without any question. Police will just say, "Oh, you pay 3,000."
They no go fit. They no go fit.
They lie.
Be push.
Feel our tank.
If they push you, if you push it, they go they cry.
They never start to the car. Tell them say I get 1 year contract with them.
See now, I did house. Yeah, why go they lie? See, I did house.
I check my money. I check my money. Me sell TV and me yeah.
I'm telling you, as long we should find a way and defend this our sister. This and that. I don't even know they are lying. Okay, they will continue lying. Sure.
May we hear from.
Let's continue, bro.
Okay, now you've heard her. She said she's a Canadian Nigerian and she can't be deported. So she dismissed the probability or possibility of arresting her. We had Nigerian House of Reps has sent or urged the Canadian government to prosecute her for inciting violence. She said somebody just sent her that she's not even aware. To tell you, she's not aware of the news. She's just hearing same thing from the news. It's not that she has been summoned though. She said she had the same thing from the news that they are talking about, And if you listen to the show properly, somebody was saying, hey, let's protect her. They don't know that she's even online. She is online to debunk the claim that she has been arrested. So she has not been arrested. At least you heard from the horse's mouth. Now let's talk about other matters. I watched a video earlier and where somebody was cautioning wounded civilians and some Bini people. Somebody was telling them, it's like the person is connected to the palace. The person was telling them, stop using Oba to make trouble. You people are disrespecting the Oba. Igbos will not insult the Oba, and I don't support anybody to talk about the Oba. Yes, Igbos will not insult the Oba.
I still talk with her, I won't talk. This fight between the Benins and Igbos for social media, you need to stop. Because people will call this fight now wounded civilian, this Carol white man, now he caused this fight with Joel, Lizzie. These three people, they are the problem of Benin people. Now they use Oba picture for profile, they look for trouble for social media. Now they use Oba picture till they insult people for social media. These three people must be wholly responsible for this fight. Because over 5 years now, when wounded civilian and others, especially Joy and Lizzie, when they come out, they insult a whole race, Igbo people, over 80 million people, a nation. Now these three people, Lizzie and wounded civilian and Joy, they carry Benin leg come out. And the funny thing about them, they don't use their picture till they look for trouble. They will pull up back picture for their profile till they look for trouble. Why will not put a pikin, una papa, una mama? No, not put a picture. Why? Now for put a picture till they look for trouble for social media. Now I want to call all of you now when they put up a picture for profile till they look for trouble for social media. Now all of you should remove it. Now as I draw this video, all of you should remove it. You cannot continue embarrassing about Benin. Now put a picture for profile. Now you say they look for trouble, and this need to stop. When I see other people, other race, I say they put their king for profile picture, say they look for trouble for social media. Anybody will put up a picture for profile, may remove them. May remove them immediately. May remove them. Put your papa, put your mama, or put your picture, put your pikin when you born. Any of your family member, put their picture. Don't put about picture again. This need to stop. Wounded civilian, you should stop insulting Una Di Kano. Igbo people see Una Di Kano as a king, as you see your Oba as a king also. You must stop insulting Una Di Kano. You must stop insulting Obi. This need to stop. Ceasefire need to have issues. Ceasefire. The two parties to stop ceasefire right now. We need peace for social media. Who won't fight? May go ground. Go fight. Now yeah.
So why do these people use Oba pictures to make trouble? And some of these people, let me tell you, the palace does not know them. And the palace is not in support of what they are doing. They just use the Oba emblem to make trouble. They just want to, drag you to a point. They will say you said something about their Oba. And that is why they use Oba in their profile. They will say you said something about their Oba, and so that they will instigate other people or their likes, so that they will start making trouble, because they know that Igbo people are itinerary people. They travel, they are everywhere. So understand the game they are playing, and this game should be reported. These people should be reported to the government. Now we that are trying to settle these things, they will say we are the ones making trouble. No, we are not the ones making trouble. They are the ones making trouble. They will use Oba pictures and they'll be making all sorts of threats. Now, when you respond to them, they will say you are insulting the Oba, so that they will get the sympathy and support of other people. You understand the game they are playing? They will attach something that belongs to the Oba on their profile pictures. They will go to platforms, or even if they don't go to platform, they will use their own platform to broadcast hate Now, when somebody responds to them, they'll drag it to a point, the person will have to talk about the Oba. Now, they will say, Igbos have insulted Oba, Igbos must go. This is their target. So, and I like that video, somebody said, you people should disconnect, remove all the pictures of the Oba you have while making all this trouble. So, they said, the Canadian law does not work like the Nigerian law, where I have seen people owe people in Nigeria. And somebody used police to lock you. Police meddling in such matters is to settle the dispute. Oh, guy, when are you going to pay? If it's the police to handle, I don't even know. Now, if it is the police that should handle such matter, I've seen occasions, oh, I will deal with you. Somebody will just report, settle the policemen, they'll pick you, they'll put you in custody. If it's a place where the law works, these things are not supposed to happen. So Canada is not like that place, so it's not like Nigeria. And I'm saying this to the shame of our country. And I believe there are some policemen in Nigeria that are ready to make the law work properly. But there are some others. Because in every formation you have the bad eggs. There are some others who are bringing denting their names. So like I said, there's an earlier video I made. I made an earlier video. I was like, oh, why would they touch this lady? I heard she has been arrested or she's been investigated. And I said, Canada people should do the right thing. They can't just pick her up. And I was even trying to say she's not an Igbo because, you know why we delayed on this video? We delayed because we are not sure if she is Igbo. Because there is other claim, a rising claim, that she may not be Igbo. Now, I don't know what to say again. Remember, we are not in support of any threat. No. You understand? We are not in support of any threat or anything that will cause ethnic crisis. Note that. But we should not be provoked. We should not be provoked. We should not be used to settle scores. When other Nigerians are saying all of this, people like wounded civilian and the likes, easy, if you're easy. When they are threatening, they are instigating their people. Are the security operatives watching? Are they watching? When Igbos are threatened in Nigeria, what do the security operatives do? They keep calm until an Igbo replies. Is that how it is done anywhere? That is double standard. What an inconsistency. This one is so blaring. You know, the Nigerian government, they reacted swiftly. In the case of this lady, the way they reacted, it was so swift. It was met with swift attention. But the condemnation of similar threats against Igbos are being overlooked. Igbos are marginalized, all sorts of threats against the Igbo people in Nigeria, nobody talks. Now, maybe somebody return fire. So Nigerian government should do the right thing. Nigerian government should do the right thing. I believe we have Igbo senators, Igbo House of Rep members, all of those who condemn this lady, including the Igbo people who condemn her. You people were lopsided in your judgment. If you want to condemn such, condemn it in totality from every angle. Igbos receive doses of such kind of attacks, verbal attacks, threats. If you want to address things like this, address the root causes of it. You call it hate speech, okay. We don't support it though. This particular thing is historical. Yes. It is time to confront that elephant in the house. Elephant in the room. There is an underground thing behind this. Jealousy, hate, ntashiobi. It has to be rooted out. There's a problem, an underground problem, which all Nigeria sees under their collective noses, the collective noses of our elites, of our security operatives. They know what is happening. Because an Igbo person opened their mouth now, suddenly, oh, everybody's taking it serious. Something that drew the attention of the House of Reps. And they are writing Canadian authorities, where the law works. Because they will call her. They will call her. Definitely, she will be summoned. I think so, maybe. Maybe. But they will not just pick her like you pick people in Nigeria. I say this to your shame. They will ask questions. They will look at what triggered what she said. I pity this country if Nigeria will not start to make it right on time. Not until when it gets to when the Igbo man, it's the Igbo man that is 40. This is a complex issue that should be tackled from the root. Yes, we will condemn such. It is not proper. But we must so address the Nigerian double standard. If you want this country to move forward, in fact, it seems I might compile a list of threats against Igbo and showcase here for people to see.
No, these are the videos that people made before that provoked this woman. So let's watch it to the end and come back to say something.
You and all your generation, all your Igbo generation, the Biafra, all the Indian Koko, you shall perish. This your protest you are bringing, no protest is going to work because we know you people are the people hiding under the protest. It's not going to work. You will say you don't have handle, you don't want to protest, you are the one championing it. And this useless Peter Obi with his small useless voice is the one financing this protest. So you shall all die. You shall die. That River Niger, we will bury you in River Niger. Just start your fucking protest. We know you are people under this protest. When you start it, you will see what will happen. You people will die and nothing will happen. Heaven will never fall. So that's it.
So make we begin to show them. Even you do it time. Uga muja you a train. Una mi obi go koke. Si o la pane. Ima kan afi ya yiga. Imana mi ana so na mi de osra. Kingsley. Wa we check una na we 2017 the person we sees Biafra flag for stadium. Na mi do one we go court. And I defeat them. One Mariah squad making any party where go there, they see me enter there because they know say I go run them, enter them, and they don't give me food now. Where I go take run enter them.
I don't know how Yoruba people they I don't know, but this video of Petelucci where they shake Oni of Ife yesterday. Don't try this to above Bini. If not, men they will behead you as in the come your head sharp. No time.
are evil. They are not good people. So South Africans, I say it again. If you are from South Africa, from Namibia, from Zimbabwe, anywhere you come from, run from there.
Edo community they do our 31st anniversary. May ya te poison ne. A managing and I will receive. I will hear your lie. I go teach them lesson. If I put your bonnet, oh, what ya who you are, ya bell ya who you are. I'm the PRO Edo community. Eto we have to total. Omwe Igbo ade. Mo mune o inwo ya gufa wa.
All those bad news you hear in Nigeria, those bad news, majority of them, they come from this Igbo clan. My people, Africans, unite and stop Igbo. That is all I want to say. Thank you very much.
So we do not really do our guania. If you do not any Bini person will stand on this way of freedom, we go match and pass. Whether you do passport, we go match you pass. Whether you match and pass, we go match you and pass.
We get xenophobia for Nigeria. Xenophobia we get for Nigeria like the Igbo. They are the second xenophobia like South Africa.
Yes.
Let me talk. Shut up your mouth, Mr. Man. I'm talking. Don't shut up your mouth when I'm talking. Look, this is the problem here. South Africans, I want you to understand that there is a particular group of Nigerians that are causing problems in your country.
Go and fix our problem.
Yes, you are right. Hold on.
We don't care which type of Nigerian you are. Go be good, go be amazing in your own country.
Can you listen to me? Let me talk. Wait. We know the people who are causing problems in your country. And these people, we ourselves as Nigerians, we want them gone. Don't go.
If you don't want them there in Nigeria, what must we do about them? You must come and face them. Don't come and lecture us with your nonsense here.
Don't listen to him, Jerry. That guy is a clown. You know what? I don't like this thing of these people coming on here and then they have their own tribal.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And then when we speak about Nigerians, the Yorubas will come and say, but not us, you know.
Cash you. Agbero when they insult now they monitor now back to back now for Lagos States. Now do anyhow now they go quench in our back. Everyone they not come out during the protest. If you try it, you see my this is now Ofemanu. They don't give me name before. I be Ofemanu. I don't accept them.
And young people, what believe me, because word, so one is a full Yoruba now. I was saying 40 book. I only mind 40 Yoruba. I want to think back to back there, Mama. Who would give you back?
Kalone your be fashionani. Adiwo, what you go show now for this Lagos here? You know no fees. Millions of Lagos.
What you focus on?